Bitcoin, it's time for the next impulse. You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Yes, then smash that like button, because it's time for crypto news fun on the right crypto at top. Today, Bitcoin stills going up, so this is a very good thing. We are happy about that, and we'll see for how long. And we were waiting for this piece of information, the decision of the Fed about the rates. So finally, they decided to raise it 25 basic points, which is what the market expected. And we were so bored, absolutely nothing happened, just the prediction. Then in the message with this guy, Jerome Powell, he said that we should expect more rises in the future, but everything was quite boring as we predicted, and we nailed it again. Remember, we are not experts, we have no clue whatsoever what we're talking about, but from time to time, even though that we are the official counter indicator, well, we nail it. And again, we had the two red candles the day before and the day of the decision in the dollar, and then good behavior for the crypto world and the stock market. You can see here every single time is two red candles now. So we'll see on September the 20th where we'll have again a Fed decision. So I can predict the future, and I can tell you that according to this, on 19th and 20th of September this year, we'll have a red day for dollar. And maybe we will follow this path I draw you, or maybe not. Watch last videos if you want that information. And remember to smash the like button if you find this of value somehow. And here, the same dates, the same decisions of the Fed, but for Bitcoin. And you can see that with dollar, it's easy, it's red all the time. But with Bitcoin, it's not that easy. We had green, and green these times. But here we had red, green, and here also it was not the same path. Even predicting what's going to happen with Bitcoin now is very difficult. But mostly, if you see, well, you have all kind of scenarios there, but mostly we will go a little bit up and then probably down as it happened in the past. Or maybe now we are about or having this next impulse we had here, maybe comparing the situation with this point here or this point here, and the Fed decision has nothing to do. We'll see about that. Leave your comment below about this. What's your opinion? Here you can see Asia today is going down, gold is going up, dollar going down, and Bitcoin going up. What about Nasdaq? Well, yesterday was a very good day there. And we have here Magic Book Kanun telling us that if you see long-term view of Nasdaq, you see that everything should go up higher. We have this parallel channel, we are in the middle of it, we have also these strange bands, so he believes that we still have room for new all-time highs on Nasdaq. And remember that mostly crypto go together right now with it. About the dawn, well, you can see again from Magic Book Kanun that MACD is going up good, and we have potential with the Gaussian channel with it going up. And you need to see that for 13th time consecutively we went up with Dow Jones. So good times for the stock market. And today we see that maybe it's time for the next impulse. And that's because of this tweet from Credible Crypto. You can see that we create this kind of steps and then break it, so we go up. So maybe it's time now again for it. And maybe because of the next president of United States, the orange president, as I call him, he just bought Bitcoin officially. He said that right after the Bitcoin conference, decided to put money where his mouth is and bought 2 Bitcoin for each of his 7 children. So 14 Bitcoin for US, probably next president of United States, Robert Kennedy Jr. If you want to know everything about this, watch this video, watch them all. And also today we have good words from the billionaire Tim Draper. He's obsessed with Bitcoin going to $250,000, hopefully so, and he believes that the dollar will pass. He said this Again, we are happy with more and more billionaires and important personalities like next presidents, maybe just talking good about Bitcoin. And here with the crypto proof, you see maybe this halving effect for Bitcoin. We watch this again, and you can see how similar the situation is right now, just with some time before the halving, with previous situations before the halving, where we had this kind of descending wedge and we exploded. So we'll see about that. Before halving, we might be in the previous all-time high. We told you everything about this in past videos. Watch them all. The market's trying to be in the green today. The bubbles are in the green. Pepe in the 8.4% up. Link going up. We're happy with that. And you can see here with the total market cap, excluding Bitcoin, so the altcoins, that right now we are in this line. We are so close with the all-time high of 2017. So interestingly, once we can just break this support or resistance from time to time and go to the next upper side for the total altcoin market. We'll see about that here, the most important ones, and you see that you have Pepe and Link, some of the most important ones, also Stellar there. So XRP will be here too soon, maybe. Those are the worst right now. And Dogecoin, consider that just passed Cardano, number 8 Dogecoin, because of all the fuss we have with Elon Musk. And Magic Pukanun telling us that probably Dogecoin is going to find support in the previous lows and still has a lot of room to go higher than $4. Remember our prevision of maybe 17. And be careful, because Coinburo is telling us that maybe Shiba is also going to be huge. Why? Well, they had the golden ticket there in X, in Twitter. So maybe Elon Musk is considering changing his Dogecoin into Shiba Inu. What do you think about that? I do not think that. I prefer Dogecoin, but who knows in the meme world. X from Elon Musk, more controversy. Well, this was this guy with .x, with @x on Twitter, and they just took it from him. Do you think that's fair? Do you think that Twitter should own your at Twitter? I don't like that. Well, he has some prices, but I think this might be worth like millions of dollars right now, and this poor guy just lost it with this centralized entity. I don't like this, Elon Musk. This is for you with all my heart. And what about X? Well, you can see that we are going down. This is not related with X whatsoever, but any case, be careful out there with scams. What about Pepe? Well, you can see it broke resistance, support, and now we are finding resistance in that very point. So bad things for Pepe, even though we are going up today. I'm not so sure about its behavior. We will follow it on dextools.io, links in the description, where you can see the hot pairs of the day. We have X, we have Pepe, and we have WLD WorldCoin. You can see here a line of people just waiting to have their iris scanned. I hate this. Also, Jack Dorsey, former CEO of Twitter, hates it. It just had this sad face because of this central entity having all your data. Also, Jack Myers, all its development in Lightning Network for Bitcoin, he doesn't like this either. So we'll see about this. The price is going up for WLD, but I think this is going to be temporary. So we'll see about that. Ethereum trying to find again the line, find the line and the support of the 100 daily. So maybe we should make this smaller and be happy about it. Time will tell. Dogecoin going up. Remember our prediction, maybe $17. Watch the video we did about it. And XRP trying to stop falling, but we predicted a 57% possible drop. Watch all the videos where I tell you everything about this. And now Ripple partnering with the island nation Palau. They are going to create there some kind of initiative, partnering with Ripple to help create our national digital currency is part of our commitment to lead financial innovation and technologies that will bring greater financial access to citizens of Palau. But why not Bitcoin? Why XRP? I don't get it. The market is neutral today, but we have some concern. The SEC, the bully Gary Gensler, and his friends, they just charged against another crypto. This is QuantStab. Why this one? Why not other one? Well, they will have to pay a fine probably, and of course they are affecting the price. So when the SEC talks about market manipulation, they are the first one who tells you that they don't short the market. They don't, or their friends, they don't short QuantStab the day before they know they are going to release this information. We hate the SEC, Gary Gensler, and all its friends. Big of this one for you, my friends. And what is QuantStab? Well, it's a leader in blockchain security, providing expert audits and blockchain solutions. So I have no clue, as you can understand. I'm so scared too, knowing that Spain is the second country in the Europe area where we are growing less since 27. Why? Because we just take the money from our citizens, but we do not encourage them to create money. So all the rich people are leaving the country and all the lazy ones are remaining here so we can share our poorness with everybody. Congratulations to all of us. We'll see if we still have hope in the future in this country, or we have to go to Portugal. And consider about fiat that the average American uses $10 worth of toilet paper a month. For $10, you could buy 3.7 million Venezuelan bolivars, those bills, enough to wipe your ass for at least 2 years, thereby saving you $230. This is inflation. Crazy thoughts. Also be careful, more terrible stuff happening. The US government saying, allegedly, that they plan to sell its remaining Bitcoin, the 195,307 Bitcoin, in the coming 16 months. And bad news about the president-to-be, this guy, the mayor of Miami, Francis Suarez, getting allegedly $500,000 from an online flower shop operating mostly out of China, a donation that allegedly violated federal campaign financial laws. We'll see about that, the video going after presidents that can support Bitcoin in the future. Remember that banks are going down. We had a crash of 30% yesterday for regional bank Pacific West. We told you about it yesterday. But consider that in Spain, we have a private banking firm with $40 billion assets starting first crypto fund in Spain. So maybe not all hope is lost in this country. And remember that we've been here for a long time. Remember day one? Remember 1 year after that day and one cycle? Now we are this guy. We'll see in the future if we have our tuxedo again. And now about some other fears, crypto safety. Well, we have these Redditors hacked Bitcoin as a lesson of the hidden dangers of paper wallets. The idea here is that you think that you are safe with a paper wallet. You go to that site where you create your words, and that is something that private key is compromised from the very beginning. They wait till you put money there and they steal it from you. So be careful. They recommend a cold wallet, but we did a lot of videos about how also controversial is the use of a cold wallet. Any case, I keep on using it, so I leave you the link in the description. If you are scared about paper wallets, well, diversify, use several methods. Do not put all your money in the same place. Diversifying probably is the best solution. And watching all the videos we created for you in the crypto section on FunOntheRide.com. The more you learn, the more possible is that you don't lose everything. Or maybe you want to go to Prosegur in Spain, where they have this place where they have like a lot of keywords and all kind of crypto stuff, the crypto bunker in Vicálvaro, Madrid. So we're going to talk with Prosegur. Maybe we can visit the place and create a video about this. Litecoin, just 6 days. Next week, we'll talk about Litecoin halving. Right now, going a little bit up. The DeFi ecosystem is still above $40 billion. And the news today in this area is that Bank of Italy is going to collaborate with Polygon Matic to tokenize assets. Awesome for Matic and for Bank of Italy. We'll see if Spanish banks do the same. I remember today to you that you can win some money with coin tracking. They have the 10th anniversary, and every day they release a new way of winning till 13th. So do that, and also download, use coin tracking with a 10% discount if you need a payment version. This is the tracker I use for my portfolio. And also follow them on Instagram. You have there all the explanation about the draws. Also follow Run App, our partners. They have a draw. Today is the last day. Tomorrow we'll have a winner. So go now to Instagram or it will be too late. You can win $100, $200 or $300. Go there now. And as we told you the other day that if you go to Coinbase, link in the description, you can make some money learning about crypto. Well, now Revolut allegedly has also that learn section where you can learn about crypto and get some for free. So I leave you also the link in the description. Use it. And now for interesting stuff. Did you know that when a sperm goes to the egg, they create light? And the brighter that light is, the more chances to go to a healthy kid in the future. So interesting. Of course, nature and technology in nature is best. That the one we are creating here, you have a strawberry from the beginning. This is how this is created. Awesome job to the creator of nature. From this to that, here you can see how humanity gets some smart people there and create things like this. I think this is art. Congratulations to this guy. You can see some talented people out there. And what about cats? Here you can see how feel if you are water and you are being drinking by a cat. Also, you can feel how the wind of the bear market will make you feel if you're a holder. You just don't care about it whatsoever. And more friends. Today we have a dog with socks, which is funny to watch. I like this guy, so funny. Also we have an owl, Marilyn Monroe. Funny stuff to Mr. Bitcoin president. And here the cat that will jump to the opportunity and hold there for dear life. What about the dog that is a crocodile and will bite you if you don't take care of yourself? Be careful with that. It's not a dog, it's a crocodile. And what about the dolphin, the crazy one that will jump and flip? I feel like this guy going just different path from all the other friends. We have no more time today. We can learn Spanish if you watch this video in our primary channel, Fun on the Ride. If you want more in English, just wait here for the next crypto news show, Fun on the Ride. Health, money, love, party in peace. The best is yet to come. Crypto a tope. To the moon!